So this is Weka, and I have already updated the dataset of my choice that was in RR file. So this is my dataset, and now I want to classify it by using different algorithm. So this is different. There is a suppose I want to go for support vector machines. So here it is in the Weka with the name of SMO. I clicked it, and I used a 10 for cross validation, and yeah, just start this. And so here is its accuracy. Meanwhile, I will also include J48 just for the comparison. So here is its accuracy. So it's a very good accuracy in both cases. Let's try some other classifier. For example, this one. So this one, if I go to the, so this is k nearest neighbors classifier, and here's its accuracy. Then there is knife base knife, and yep. So you can see in case of knife base, the accuracy has differed a lot. And because I am using cross validation, but if I use different percentage separators, for example, so the accuracy is entirely different. For example, let me use, SMO again, sport vector machine again. So you can see in case of sport vector machine, the accuracy has not differed much. But in case of others, it has, let's see, k-nearest neighbors. So the accuracy is still almost the same. And yeah, and there are some other classifiers as well. You can explore from here, on the list of classifiers. Also, there is a, you can say, list of additional classifiers if you go to the tools and package manager. So all of these are the, you can say, different classifiers available on in Weka server. So you can download additional, you can say, classifiers. Some are will be already installed because some are not. You can see these are not installed in my computer. And yeah, so these are the tasks they can perform: classification, pre-processing, attribute selection, and then there's pre-processing, regression, ensemble learning. So yeah, I lost the connection. Anyways, so I was saying that we can always download additional, you can say, classifiers or methods into the Weka. For example, I use this one, and so it's downloading the you can say additional packages. And
उनके वाले ना काम वाले ज्यादा है, वो फिर कहीं आते जाते पहनते हैं,
so I guess,
तो मैंने मोस्टली हमारे ही पहने हैं.
so there's somehow you can use package manager. Then you can all use, say, you can do clustering as well. I have just delete this one. So k-means clustering is always is the k-mean algorithm for clustering. It is there, but you can use other as well. So cluster data using the Canopy clustering algorithm. Let's see Canopy clustering algorithm, and here see minimum number of clusters is -1, and for example, number of clusters I said 2, and start the algorithm. So you can see 60% are clustered into the first cluster, and in the second the number of clusters is 40. Let's see if this is the cluster assignment and of the two, and similarly we can do k-mean clustering, and the number of clusters here are also 2, and let's start. So you can say it is also 60-40, and yeah, the how the clusters are being assigned on the basis of, so these are the significant attributes that have been considered in assigning cluster to 0 and assigning cluster 1. Yeah, so that's how it works. Different this is cluster 1, this is cluster 2, initial starting point, these are initial starting point, and these are the endpoints. So yeah, that's how these two works, and you can explore different methods. You can install additional methods according to your requirement. We have covered in the coursework the discretization, and you can always do discretization if your data is not discretized or classified. So if you have a range of attributes, you can assign them a particular class, and this is the discretization method here. But my method is already my data is already categorized, so I don't need it. So yeah, that's all. And if you have further question, you can ask.